We will guide you through how to change background texture in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the image or project you want to edit, then allow the canvas and existing layers to appear completely. Go to File on the top menu and choose Place Embedded to import a texture as an editable smart object. Browse through your computer, select the texture image you want to use, and confirm that you have chosen the correct file. Click Place to insert the texture into the current Photoshop document. Drag the transform handles outward to resize the texture until it covers the entire canvas without leaving any empty edges. Then press the Enter key to confirm the transformation. In the Layers panel, click the Texture Layers eye icon to hide it temporarily so you can clearly see and select the original image underneath. Select the main image layer, checking its name and thumbnail to make sure the correct layer is active. Choose the Object Selection tool from the toolbar, opening its tool group first if another selection tool is displayed. Click or draw around the main subject and wait while Photoshop creates a selection that follows its outline. Then open Select on the top menu and choose Inverse so the background becomes selected instead of the subject. Return to the Layers panel and select the texture layer again without removing the active background selection. Click the Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel so Photoshop uses that selection to restrict the texture to the background. Click the Texture Layers eye icon again to make it visible. Then confirm that the texture appears only behind the subject and does not cover the subject itself. Finally, adjust the texture layer's opacity or try a suitable blend mode if needed so the original background lighting remains natural